What's up, Stat Family? Told you we was coming back with another. We got Larry the Legend Bird versus Julius, Dr. J, Eriving, April 4th, 1986. This is a live reaction. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that sub button, and comment below. Let's get it. You know what? I'm gonna go at Bird. I'm gonna go at Dr. J. Y'all know this live too. We do not do no skipping. It's legendary right here now. Never watched it. Legendary. It's live. We're gonna get it started now. Get it started, Dr. J. Get it started, Dr. J. Okay. Come on, Dr. J. You gotta make that free throw now. 3 points now. Oh, yeah, okay. Good pass down there. Bark. Barking up, play with the legends. That's Bird. Come on now. You better get on the legend out there.
Right now, Jerry County's got to realize that if they're knocking the three like you did that time, you've got to get up and force him to put the ball on the floor.
Okay, Dr. J. I ain't never seen a jumper. They used to show straight dunks. I ain't never seen a jumper from Dr. J. He damn sure shot it that time. But they don't show no shots. Dr. J. When Dr. J was in the gym, wanted. I know this is my first reaction of him in this live. I'm talking about games, not no. I'm talking about highlights, dunks. Okay, I see you out there, Dr. J. He said call out. Oh yeah, coach did play for this team. Come on now, Rick Carlisle. Come on now. Dallas Mavericks, 2011 NBA champion. Carlisle right there. And your business coach. He did play for the Celtics. Good shot, Bird. Oh, that's good defense. Okay, Dr. J, put the free throws in there. Come on now. You need both of them. 48-47. The Bird turn around on him. Oh, yeah, Bird turn around on him. Backboard. Seen though. Back up, Bird. Okay. Get Bird. A bag with no holes in it. Come on now. Turn around. Huh. Come on now. And we're deadly. It was the first, Bird was the first pure shoot of them all. Come on now. Right. For real. Back up, Bird. They're going to need a double team. Look at Bird down in the low post. Scoring without the ball. I see you moving. I see you, Bird. Oh, yeah, Bird. Look at Bird sharing. What a pass down there. Them boys was meshing. They was meshing. They knew what to do. Get the ball to Larry, the legend. For real.
5:17 to go. You see the Celtic greatness starting to come to the floor. Really played well since having that cut eye. Lemon Johnson.
Work down there. I see you, Dr. J. Work.
Nice finger roll that time by Julius Eriving. 13 points. Now defense is going to have
90 to 81, Boston.
They must find a way to they're still leaving the door open.
Push that.
They can convert some of
Got one in the 3. Want that down, Dr. J. Come on now. Why they ain't show that? They show all them dunks. Well, Dr. J had an all-around game.
6-point game, 16 points.
Oh yeah, Dr. J. Okay. Well, dribbling it all, man. Coast to coast. But Dr. J was a fool, man. They showed all the dunks. We talking about real Dr. J out there hoop. Yeah, they showed the dunk and the layup. Come on, man. We trying to see somebody whole game, man. I'm glad something told me to watch it, so we know now. It's legendary. And we see why they say Dr. J was the greatest. In errors. It's an error.
Big miss on that play. That would have brought this crowd to their feet. They attended the 2 at that time.
Okay, Dr. J, come on now. Man, had an all-around game, man. He putting it on the floor, pulling up. Come on now. He had an all-around game. Nothing else to talk about.
78% free throw shooter. 87, 159. Remember now, after every made shot from here on, the clock will stop as you're inside 2 minutes remaining.
There you go. If you're new to that channel, make sure you hit that like button, hit that sub button, that comment below. You know, if you want to donate to the channel, PayPal, Cash App at the bottom of the comments.
They still haven't heard. They don't want to foul. He's a leading free throw shooter in the NBA, but they've got to. Bobby Jones fouls him with 7 seconds. Too much time off the clock. They let 13 seconds go by, and now Larry Bird gets the ball. The best free throw shooter in the NBA. Would you like to know
the best NBA free throw shooter is Larry the Legend Bird. Told you he ain't missing no free throws. Might as well cancel that. Might as well cancel. Straight down the middle. They were real. They were real. They were real. He missed one. That's real. That's real. That's real right there. That's real. Oh my goodness. He done bailed y'all out for the devil. He gave y'all a chance. Never seen that. I ain't never seen Bird miss 2 free throws. That's rare right there. You know that ain't gonna happen again. That's rare. Shit like that happen. That's rare. Bird, Steve Nash, Dirk. That's rare. Curry, that's rare. Them boys miss free throws, you pull up. What? Tell y'all a chance, Dr. J. How y'all gonna act? Off a pin down, Barkley. Okay. Barkley, what the fuck? Barkley, get the ball back to Dr. J. Pass the ball to you. The jump shot, your jump shot won't high. What's supposed to be? You supposed to have a jump shot now. You supposed to have that shot ready, Barkley. Come on now. I'd have easily pulled that as soon as I got that. Straight from that 3. Cash. Huh? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Dr. J really hit that. Oh, this legendary. This legendary right. That was live. That was live. Hey, good tip, Mark. You made up for it. Good tip. Damn. And we see why they call Dr. J the greatest. So they were calling him his era, so we salute him. Damn. He closed Bird and them out. Real hooper right there. Real hooper.
To win. Adcokus has had some frustrating moments, but this is not one of them.
They show all the layups and all them dunks. Why they ain't show that? Man, that boy Dr. J was cold. That was cold right there. That was legendary. I can't believe he just did that. I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't expecting that right there. That was legendary right there, Dr. J. Larry the legend. Legendary. Good game though, Dr. J. Good game. Larry the legend. Bird. Thank y'all, Stat Family, for watching the full video. We're going to be back with another video after this video. Make sure y'all stay prayed up. Y'all be safe. And y'all be good. You know?